Guys, let's do a tongue twister. I have tongue twister this year and I'm gonna make a tongue twister for you guys. Okay. Beautiful pata 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 was also beautiful other pata pata pata. Can you guess it? Because if I can say it, you guys can say it. So yeah, okay, let's say it again. Beautiful pata 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 was also beautiful other pata pata pata. Okay, 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 okay. Let's do it, guys. So we're gonna do one more time. I'm making a video. And me. Okay. It's still like I think the thing is broken, but Jimmy is broken. But I don't know because yesterday she said, anyways, let's do it again. Okay. Petit po pata 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 was rose or petit po ata pata pata pata. Comment down below if you can do it.